Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by verifying basics that actually affect connection success. First, make sure your device and the host have at least 20% battery and sit within 10 meters so signal strength isn't the issue. Once done, turn Bluetooth on for both and disable airplane mode. This reinitializes radios. Next, put the device into discoverable or pairing mode and on the host open Bluetooth settings. Make sure to remove or forget any stale pairings that could cause address conflicts before moving forward. Now focus on the pairing sequence and why it might fail. Scan for available devices and pick the exact MAC or friendly name. Mismatched entries lead to false attempts. When prompted, compare and confirm numeric codes or enter the device PIN. That step establishes trust at the link layer. If auto pairing fails, try manual pairing through advanced settings or use a different profile like a 2DP or HID. Also restart the Bluetooth service or app to clear transient states, and check firmware updates that fix protocol bugs. Finish by validating the connection and handling persistent issues. Test the specific profile you need, play audio for a 2DP or type for HID to confirm the link works for your use case. If problems persist, reset network or Bluetooth settings and fully power cycle both devices. That clears cached configs. Make sure to reapply pairing after resets. One key troubleshooting tip: check for interference from 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, cordless phones, or microwaves. Move devices or switch channels and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.